or stereoisomers is the maximum number possible for the molecule. All right, the power rule is especially convenient when you can look at a molecule and tell it's not symmetrical on both sides from the middle. But all that shows is the maximum number of stereoisomers. But it's a catch. And the twist is called meso compounds. So sometimes, even if a molecule has chiral centers, it ends up being achiral overall because of the axis of symmetry. And these are called meso compounds. So this is an example of a meso compound right here. So first, let's count the chiral centers. So we're going to make a list of the carbons. There are 4 carbons. These are both methyls. Cancel that out. Cancel that out. Now let's look at 2 and 3. The second carbon has a hydroxy group attached that has all this over here, and it has the methyl. So you can tell this is a chiral center. Same goes for 3. Hydroxy, all this over here, and the methyl group. Now, these both have 2 chiral centers, but if you raise 2 to the second power, you get 4 stereoisomers, right? But that's the maximum number of possible isomers. But in reality, this formula or molecule doesn't have any isomers. This molecule doesn't have any isomers because if you were to flip it in a mirror or rotate it or orient it any type of way, it would appear the exact same as this mirror image, meaning that it's an achiral molecule with chiral bonds, and it's a meso compound. So for a reminder, meso compounds, they have chiral centers, they have a plane of symmetry, they are superimposable on its mirror images, meaning you can orient them in the exact same position, and they are not chiral or achiral. All right, as this video is about to end, I want you to take note that all chiral molecules aren't superimposable on its mirror image, but not all molecules with chiral centers are chiral. And this is shown in the example above. We have a meso compound where it has chiral centers, plane of symmetry, superimposable on its mirror images, and it's not chiral, it's achiral. Let me know if this helped answer your question, but if not, please let me know what I can do to improve. And yeah.